INVIDEO A versus Canva, usage experience. Links to both INVIDEO AI and Canva are provided in the description below. Today, we'll compare two popular tools in the content creation space, INVIDEO AI and Canva. Both platforms are known for making design and video production easier, but they cater to different user needs and offer unique features. INVIDEO AI is primarily a video creation platform that leverages AI to help users produce videos quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for marketers, social media managers, and small business owners looking to create high-quality videos with minimal effort. The standout feature of INVIDEO AI is its script-to-video functionality. You can simply input a script, and the AI automatically generates a fully edited video with visuals, animations, and music. This feature is ideal for users who need quick turnaround times and want to avoid the complexities of traditional video editing. With over 5,000 templates and an intuitive interface, INVIDEO AI is built for both beginners and experienced users who want to streamline their video production. Canva, on the other hand, is a versatile design tool that has expanded its features to include video creation. It's widely used by graphic designers, small business owners, and content creators for both static and dynamic designs. Canva's video editing tools are easy to use, offering a drag-and-drop interface with access to templates, stock footage, and music. However, Canva's video creation is more manual compared to INVIDEO AI's automated approach. While you can create professional-looking videos in Canva, the process requires more input and customization. Canva excels in its design flexibility, allowing users to create visually stunning content for social media, presentations, ads, and more. If you're focused on creating videos quickly with AI assistance, INVIDEO AI is the better choice, especially for social media managers or businesses that need frequent content. If you're looking for a platform with a broader range of design tools, including both graphics and videos, Canva provides a more well-rounded experience. Ultimately, both tools have their strengths, and it comes down to whether you prioritize automation or design versatility. Check the links in the description for more details.